In this video tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to integrate Magic Members membership plugin with WP Courseware. Okay, so let's begin. First of all, let's go down to our plugins area so that I can show which plugins I've got installed. So I currently have Magic Members current version. I also have WP Courseware current version, and I also have the WP Courseware Magic Members add-on. Okay, so now let's go down to Magic Members, and I'm going to click on Members. Okay, so I quickly want to just show that we have 3 separate membership levels. Okay, now you can add additional levels. These are the 3 that come out of the box with Magic Members. So I actually didn't create any of these. However, what I did do is I configured one of them so that it actually has a cost associated with it. Okay, so now what I want to do is point something out real quick under miscellaneous settings. Okay, so one of the cool new features that I'm adding with this version of the add-on is the ability to support multiple membership levels. Okay, so if you actually enable this, the add-on is going to pick up on that. It will support multiple membership levels. Okay, so now let's go over to our training courses, and you'll notice we've got 4 training courses already set up. And now what we want to do is we want to connect the training courses with the membership levels. We want to assign courses or a single course to the membership level. And to do so, we're going to scroll down and click Magic Members. This option here is enabled when you install the Magic Members add-on for WP Courseware. Okay, so let's go ahead and click on that. And you'll notice here we've got several columns of data. You'll notice that we've got the level names here. And here in the middle column, we have the various courses that are available to be associated with the membership level. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to assign these courses to the membership level so that when somebody purchases a level or registers for a level, they will actually automatically be enrolled into those courses or course. So what I want to do is I want to go and click Edit Course Access Settings so that we can see how this works. And you'll notice here we've got checkboxes next to the courses. So you can select your courses that you want to assign to the membership level. And once you do so, you can click Save Changes. Okay, you'll notice we do have another option here. Do you want to retroactively assign these courses to current customers? This option I'm going to discuss in further detail later in this video. For now, we're just going to click Save Changes, and we're going to go back to our Access Settings summary page. Okay, so now what we want to do is we want to test this out. We want to make sure that when somebody registers for a membership level or purchases a membership level, that they are actually enrolled automatically into the associated course. So to do so, I'm going to open up a separate browser, and we are going to purchase a membership level. So I'm just going to fill in some data here, and I'm going to go ahead and purchase the membership level. And I've already pre-configured the PayPal settings. We will be using the PayPal sandbox to complete this purchase. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and log in here and click Pay Now. Okay, so it looks like the transaction is complete and we have been redirected back to our website, and it looks like the payment went through successful. So now what we want to do is we want to go back over to our other browser, and we want to go back to our users area to make sure that we actually registered as a user and got enrolled into a course. Okay, so if you remember, I registered Mr. Jim here, and Jim purchased the membership level, which was associated with Course B. So Jim was enrolled into Course B, so it worked perfectly. Okay. So now what I want to do is I want to go back to that setting that we skipped earlier in the video, and I want to explain that in detail. Before we go there, I want to point something out. So if you notice here, I've got 2 users, Bob and Jim. Now Bob is also a member of the member level. okay, as well as Jim. Jim's also a member of the member level. And you'll notice that they are both enrolled into course B. Okay, so just keep that in the back of your mind for just a second. And we're going to go back over to training courses, Magic Members. And I'm going to go into edit the course access settings for the membership level. Okay, so this option here, do you want to retroactively assign these courses to current customers, is an option when assigning a course. And basically what this does, it allows you to retroactively assign a new course that you've just created. So for instance, if I had just created extra course for B and I wanted to associate it with anyone who has purchased the member level in the past, I would select yes. And if we hit Save Changes, then everybody who's purchased member level in the past is now enrolled into extra course for B. So that's what this setting actually does. And if we go back to our users area, you'll notice that both Bob and Jim, since they're both a member of the member level, are now enrolled into both course B and extra course for B. Okay, so that concludes this video tutorial on how to integrate Magic Members membership plugin with WP Courseware. Thanks for watching.